Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Drew here from S Squared. Our buddy Ryan over at Freedom Wagon Films shot us a message a little while ago. He is working on converting a V8 engine block that he has into a coffee table, and he wondered if we could build him a top for it. So I've got a bunch of kind of scrap wood kicking around, so we're going to throw together a cool little tabletop for him and hopefully get it out to him before Christmas. So if you are new here, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and also check out Freedom Wagon Films, which is Ryan's page. He does a lot more kind of roadkill-esque style car repair if you're not familiar with that Motor Trend show. So make sure you check him out. Link in the description below. I'll also throw up a few other links for some of the stuff that I used to put this together. All right. The shop's a mess, but here is the finished top. It has got the Sue Shiggy Bond kind of wood burn to it. Still got to put some clear on it and then get it over to Ryan at Freedom Wagon Films. Hope you like it, buddy.